Hello, everyone. Today, I will tell you about the Turkish hotel Delphin Imperial Lara, which is located in Antalya. We have analyzed hundreds of tourist reviews about this hotel, so we definitely have something to share with you. Let's go. At the beginning, as usual, a bit of general information about the hotel. This stunning hotel will leave no one indifferent. A beautiful, magnificent hotel building, a luxurious garden, and many pools on the territory of Delphin Imperial Lara. Here, everything is done flawlessly for relaxation. The hotel positions itself as family-friendly, so feel free to come here with the whole family. Delphin Imperial Lara has an excellent location. You can reach it from the airport in just 20 minutes. Excellent service, delicious and diverse food, stylish rooms. Friends, this hotel cannot disappoint. For children, there are rides, a water park, and a kids' pool. Moreover, the hotel is located on the first coastline, so it's just a short walk to the beach. On the hotel grounds, there is an amazing spa complex where you can enjoy spa treatments and massages. The complex was opened in 2012, and it was renovated in 2020. If you have already stayed at this hotel, write in the comments what you liked or didn't like. The hotel rating is 4.6 on Google, 8.9 on Booking.com, and 4.5 on TripAdvisor. You can check the cost of accommodation and book a room at this hotel via the links in the description and in the pinned comment under this video. Friends, right now I'll tell you all the pros and cons of this hotel. But before I begin, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and support this video with a like. Thank you. The beach of Delphin Imperial Hotel in Turkey is one of the main attractions of this resort, attracting tourists with its amenities. The hotel's location provides easy access to the beach, as well as magnificent sea views from many rooms. Many reviews highlight that the beach is equipped with everything necessary for a comfortable stay: sun loungers, umbrellas, and beach towels. There is also a bar where you can order refreshing drinks and light snacks. Tourists especially note the quality service and friendliness of the staff on the beach, which makes staying there even more enjoyable. For fans of active recreation, the beach offers various water activities such as banana boat rides, parasailing, and jet ski rentals. Some tourists mention in their reviews that the beach is perfect for families with children due to the gentle entry into the sea and safe swimming conditions. The territory of Delphin Imperial Hotel impresses with its scale. Guests like the modern design and elegant architecture of the hotel, creating an atmosphere of luxury and comfort. One of the main advantages of the hotel's territory is the number of pools, including a heated pool, a water park, and a children's pool. The pools are surrounded by greenery and cozy relaxation areas with loungers and umbrellas, allowing guests to enjoy rest in the shade or under the sun. Water activities and the aqua park are especially appealing to families with children, offering lots of options for active recreation. On the hotel grounds, there are many restaurants and bars offering diverse world cuisines. The main restaurant operates in a buffet style and offers a wide selection of dishes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A la carte restaurants, such as Italian and Turkish, allow guests to enjoy exquisite dishes in a cozy atmosphere. The poolside and beach bars also receive high ratings for service quality and variety of drinks. The food at Delphin Imperial Hotel in Turkey deserves special attention due to its variety and quality. The main restaurant offers an extensive buffet for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Guests enjoy the large selection of dishes, including fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, and fish delicacies. The only downside mentioned by guests is that the desserts could be better and more varied. Also, at the buffet, you'll find a wide selection of cheeses and fish. Guests noted that red fish was served almost daily. Tourists highlight that the bars and restaurants offer a wide range of drinks and cocktails. Among the a la carte restaurants, the Turkish and Chinese ones were especially praised. On the hotel grounds, there are several bars and cafes where you can enjoy drinks and light snacks. The poolside and beach bars offer a wide selection of cocktails, refreshing drinks, and snacks, especially pleasant on hot days. Guests highly appreciate the drink quality and the friendliness of the bartenders, who are always ready to offer something special. Delphin Imperial Hotel in Turkey offers its guests luxurious and comfortable rooms that meet the high standards of a five-star resort. In total, the hotel has 750 rooms of various categories, including standard room, superior room, family room, and suite, allowing every guest to find a suitable option. But there are a few cons worth mentioning. First, there is no iron in the room and laundry services are provided at an extra cost. Second, tourists don't like that. Initially, they are placed in not-so-good rooms so that they give a tip and are moved to a better one. The room design is beautiful, but the rooms are already a bit outdated. In some, there was a sewage smell. Guests complained about uncomfortable pillows and beds. The hotel staff is very good. Employees provide guests with a high level of service. Everyone is very polite and friendly. Some staff members were personally thanked in reviews. However, despite many positive reviews, some tourists noted shortcomings in the staff's work. For example, complaints about check-in delays and problems with room assignments. Some guests mentioned that without extra tips or paid upgrades, they received rooms below the expected standard. There were also complaints about the language barrier, especially with junior staff, which sometimes made communication difficult. Guests can enjoy a rich entertainment program that includes both daytime and evening shows. Day programs offer various sports activities such as water aerobics, beach volleyball, and fitness. Evening animation includes themed shows, musical performances, dance shows, and karaoke. Daily activities ensure a great mood and vacation variety. The hotel's animation is excellent, both for adults and children. For those who prefer a more relaxing holiday, the hotel offers many bars and cafes where you can enjoy drinks and live music. For children, Delphin Imperial Hotel has everything needed for a wonderful vacation. A gently sloping entrance to the sea, a sandy beach, a kids' pool, water slides, and an amusement park. Your kids won't be bored here. Animators organize special shows for the kids. Also, there is an excellent kids club where children can play under the supervision of animators. Friends, let's summarize. Delphin Imperial Hotel offers very good service, delicious and diverse food, a beautiful area, a magnificent main building, a great beach, and fun, engaging animation. I definitely recommend this hotel for a family holiday. But the final choice is always up to you, and only you decide whether it's worth flying to this hotel or not. While you're thinking, I recommend watching these other videos about hotels around the world. I hope you liked this video. Give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new reviews. And with that, I say goodbye. See you soon at a new hotel.